Oh, I like the house very much because it is very functional. It provides sufficient storage without the house looking very cluttered. And at the same time, it is very cozy. I really like the feel very much. So I contacted Rezt+Relax just about a few months before my key collection. And from there, Rezt+Relax actually referred me to Angelyn. So I had a first meetup with Angelyn, and then we go through what are my requirements. And at the same time, I think Angelyn was very responsive and very helpful in terms of coming up with a few ideas and concepts of how my house will be like. And with a few discussions, then we actually settled on the design. And from there, then the renovation started. So along the way, there are few minor hiccups, but Angelyn was very quick and was able to resolve them in a very short time. What I like about Rezt+Relax is that the workmanship and for the carpentry and every aspect of the house was great. So, and what I like about the feature is the lifetime warranty provided by Rezt+Relax. So this gives the owners very much of a peace of mind when engaging them for renovation. All in all, I had a very positive experience with Rezt+Relax. So without doubt, if my friends and relatives were to ask me for a recommendation of interior design company for them to work with, I will recommend Rezt+Relax. So I will say to Rezt+Relax, please keep up the good work.
Okay.